back to another video. So I've got some new Madam Glam gel polishes. I'm going to go straight in with a design with these, but I am going to quickly swatch them because they are new. I haven't got swatches of them yet, and you all know I like to have my swatch sticks colour coordinated. I do have my own discount code for Madam Glam. Now I'll leave it up on the screen as I always do. It's unpolished 30, and that gives you 30 potato. That gives you 30% off the website. They've got a VIP subscription as well that allows you to get 50% off. All that information is on the website. But anyway, Madam Glam polishes, they're all vegan, cruelty free, HEMA free. It says 9-free formula on the bottle. They're palm oil free, which is brilliant. But yeah, look, they're 21 free formula. So I think the new ones, the more recent ones, I'm not sure. I'll have to find out if it's some of them or all of them. But that one says 9 free and that one says 21 free. So I will find out if it's all of them, or if some of them are 9 free, some of them are 21 free. But anyway, beautiful colours for the end of summer, going into autumn. I think they're really, really going to be nice for autumn, they are. So let's give them a quick swatch, shall we? And then we'll do some nails. Right, so this first one is called Creamy Caramel. This looks like a nice beige kind of nude. When I'm using a nude, I always seem to go for either a really pale kind of dusty pink nude, or I reach for these colours that are like a creamy beige. They're always my go-to for nudes. Look at that. That's just one thin coat as well. I love these gel polishes. They are such good quality. They're on another level. That's a beautiful nude, isn't it? I really like that. Creamy Caramel. Perfect name. So this one is called Get Me Pie, and it's exactly, oh, we've got an eyelash. Let me make a wish. Yeah, it's definitely like pumpkin pie. We don't really eat pumpkin pie in the UK. I think it's quite big in US, isn't it? Around, is it Halloween time? Is it? Someone let me know in the comments, when do you eat pumpkin pie? Or do you eat it all year round? Yeah, we don't really do that in the UK. Pumpkin pie. Yeah, we don't really eat pumpkin in the UK. It's not a thing over here. Right, and this last one is called Pistachio. Again, that's a perfect name for this colour. Perfect name. Wow, that is such a unique green. I can tell looking at this, I haven't got anything this colour. This colour's going to be cool for Halloween, isn't it? That's a real Halloween gory kind of green. But I love it. That's a really unique colour. I like that. Right, let's get these cured. I'm going to give them a quick top coat as well. I'm going to use Madam Glam top coat so I can show you what they look like. Nice and glossy. Right, that's them swatched, guys. And that's them top coated. I bumped that one into that one. Look how glossy that top coat is. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm loving that green. Right, I'm going to get some tips out, or my practice hand. I haven't decided which. And we'll get this design done. Right, guys, we're all good to go. I'm working on this hand today. So I'm just going to get some colour put down first. So on the pinky, I'm going to put some of this, which is called Pistachio. This is going to be just a really simple, easy design. I keep saying it, I've said it a few times. I am going to start doing some easier designs that everybody could have a go at, and I think this is one of them. I'm going to use all 3 colours and a little bit of transfer foil. Look at that colour. It's such a unique green, that, isn't it? It really is. Right, I'm going to let you watch while I get some colour put on all these nails. But I will show you which colours are which. Look at that, wow. Right, we're going to have the middle finger in this Give Me Pie. Right, and the pointer finger is going to be this one, which is Creamy Caramel. Right guys, I've decided against a nail bed for this finger because the foil that I'm using, it's not like a full cover foil. So if I was to do a nail bed shape out of this foil, there's going to be little gaps and it's just going to look, it's just not going to resemble a nail bed. So I'm going to cover this nail with the foil, and this one I'm just going to put a little, probably just an orange and a green one to match the orange and the green nail. So I'm going to give both nails a coat of the foil glue and we'll get the foil on. Right, I want to kind of get mostly the orange and the green flowers, so I'm going to go about there. Right, that's not too bad. I'm sorry I went slightly off to the left then, guys. That's quite cute, isn't it? Right, let's get this one done. I'm just going to cut out a couple of, I think I'll just do an orange and a green. Yeah. Right, so I've cut 3 out. I don't know where to put them. I think I'll just put them coming down from the cuticle area like that. I think that'll look quite cute, won't it? Right, I'm going to get these top coated now, and I'm going to put a little bit of bling on the orange and the green nail. They remind me of something from my gran's house when I was a kid, like my grandma's curtains, or yeah, my grandma's bedding. They remind me of something like that, quite retro looking. Is that the right word, retro, or just old-fashioned? Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? Do you know, I love that green. I absolutely love that green. Look at that glossy top coat as well. This is the top coat that you have to wipe the tacky layer off, but it's still very, very glossy. I love it. I love them gems as well. They've got a bit of an A-B shift going on them gems. I do. I like them. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Quite a simple design. The link to Madam Glam website is always in my description box, along with my discount code. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.